Welcome to Product Critique, the place where we put everyday items to the test so you don't have to. Today, we're spotlighting what we believe to be the best yellow dishcloths available right now, the DII Basic Terry Collection Windowpane Dishcloth Set. With its vibrant yellow color and smart design, this set of 6 12 by 12-inch cloths brings both charm and power into the kitchen. Let's begin with the appearance. These dishcloths are bright, cheerful, and perfect for anyone who wants their kitchen tools to look as good as they perform. The yellow hue stands out in the best way. It's bold, energetic, and adds a pop of color to your cleaning routine. The windowpane design is subtle yet classic, and it helps the cloths maintain their shape and function over time. It's a style that looks clean, organized, and thoughtfully crafted. Now onto performance, which is where these cloths really shine. Made from 100% cotton, these are not your average kitchen rags. They're ultra-absorbent, perfect for drying dishes, soaking up spills, or giving your countertops a solid wipe down. The material is soft yet durable, and it strikes the right balance between being gentle on delicate items and tough enough for grime. They're not bulky or overly plush, just lightweight and efficient, which is what makes them so versatile. What makes the DII Basic Terry dishcloths a true kitchen essential is how they handle various tasks without showing signs of wear quickly. Whether you're drying glassware, scrubbing pans, or cleaning up kitchen messes, they're up for the job. Even beyond the kitchen, you can put them to work in the garage, outdoors, or while camping. Their compact size and drying efficiency make them ideal for travel or more rugged chores. Caring for them is refreshingly simple. The cloths are machine washable, and DII recommends washing them before first use. Toss them into a cold wash on a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low. No bleach and no hot drying. That's key to keeping them in good shape long term. Follow these steps and they'll stay absorbent, soft, and lint-free, even after several cycles. It's that kind of longevity that sets them apart from many generic kitchen cloths that fray or fade too quickly. These dishcloths are part of a larger collection from DII, and that's worth mentioning because if you like coordination in your kitchen, they've got you covered. You can match these with other DII products like towels, aprons, potholders, and oven mitts, all available in similarly rich or vibrant tones. Whether you're building your own set or gifting one to a friend or a new homeowner, the ability to color coordinate across products is a major plus. Price-wise, this 6-pack comes in at around $11.23, which breaks down to less than $2 per cloth. Considering the quality of the material and how long-lasting they are, that's excellent value. There are shipping fees to India if you're ordering internationally, but the product is sold directly by Amazon and ships in standard product packaging with a 30-day refund or replacement policy in place. All things considered, the DII Basic Terry Collection Windowpane Dishcloth Set delivers outstanding performance, visual appeal, and durability. These aren't just cloths. They're reliable tools that make your kitchen cleaner, your workflow easier, and your space a little brighter. And that's why they've earned their spot as our pick for the best yellow dishcloths. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at products that blend practicality with quality, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Got a product in mind that you'd like us to review next? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.